In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Vinted account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Vinted user or new to the platform, verifying your account is a crucial step to ensure a seamless buying and selling experience. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple as possible. To begin, you'll want to open either the Vinted app on your mobile device or access the website through your preferred browser. Once there, log in using your existing credentials. If you're already logged in, great, you're already one step closer to verifying your account. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile photo. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, navigate to Settings. This is your go-to area for customizing and managing your account preferences. In the Settings menu, you'll need to look for Account Settings. Clicking here will take you deeper into the realm of your Vinted profile. This is where you'll be able to see the current status of your account verification. At this stage, you may notice that your email has already been verified. If that's the case, fantastic. You're halfway there. Now, your task is to verify your phone number, a step that strengthens your account's security and improves trust with potential buyers and sellers. To do this, find the Verify button located next to your phone number and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter a valid phone number. It's crucial to input a number that's current and accessible to you because Vinted will use it to confirm your identity. Once you've typed in your number, go ahead and hit Send. This will initiate the verification process. What happens next is that Vinted will either send a confirmation message or place a call to the number you've provided. This step is designed to verify that the number genuinely belongs to you. It's a straightforward process, but keep an eye out for the message or call so you can respond promptly. Once the verification is complete, you'll receive a confirmation notification. This not only concludes the process, but opens the door to all the benefits that come with a fully verified Vinted account. From increased trust within the community to enhanced transaction security, you're all set to make the most of what Vinted has to offer. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully verified your Vinted account. Keep these steps in mind and you'll always have a smooth and secure experience on the platform. Thanks for joining me and happy buying and selling on Vinted.